Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to add GIF in Instagram comments. So this is the new update and many people are searching about it. So if you want to use this feature, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Instagram. After that, you have to click on the update button. First of all, you have to update your Instagram mobile application. After that, go back and open your Instagram, log into your account and select any post where you want to post a GIF comment. So I have opened a comment section. Simply you have to click on it and on the keyboard you will see GIF option. Simply click on it and after that you can search any GIF you want to post in the comment section. So this is the way. If your country support this feature, you will be use it. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.